Hello friends, welcome to Diction channel. Today I am going to show you how to split PDF files into separate files in offline. So we have PDF files, so it consists of more pages. So what we are doing, we can just split the PDF files into separate files. So we are not using any net connections in this place to split the PDF files. So we are going to see today only offline. So I am going to show you how to split PDF files into separate files. So for that purpose, this is my desktop screen you have seen. So I am going to browser. This is a Google browser. You can see this site cannot be reached. So what you have to do? So go to this restore button. Just restore it. For example, I have the PDF files. So you can see in my desktop I have the PDF files. This is a file I am taking. Then afterwards what you have to just drag it and keep it in this place. So you can see, okay, this is opening. Okay, you can see in this PDF file it consists of 1 to 7 pages. Okay, so you can see in the right hand side there are 3 buttons there. So what you do use, the first rotate clockwise, next one is download and the next one is print. Just what you have to do, just click on print option. So when we are clicking on print option, you can see it is displaying the 7 pages. For example, I want to store only 2 pages. Any pages you have to store, just click on the custom option. For example, I want the pages from 1 to 4. Just write in the pages 1 to 4. Then click on save. So it is automatically asking which place you have to store. So I am clicking on desktop. The file name is I am giving final. Save. So when we are spreading the pages, it will not disturb the old PDF file. So you can see this is the old PDF file we already seen, that is 1 to 7 pages. Okay, I am splitting the pages that is created for the new PDF. You can see, just I am minimizing. Then I will store this file in the desktop. You can see this is a new file, new PDF file. I will be splitted. So I am clicking open it, adopt. So you can see, so how many pages consist of 1 to 4 pages. In this way you can in this way you can split your pages. In this way you can split your PDF files. So you can see there are 4 pages is done. You can see 1, 2, 3. In this way you can see. Thank you.